Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Today we're going to order the Harbor Freight Instant Savings that's going on from now through 10/8, so let's go ahead and get started. First row we got here is a Bauer large modular toolbox for $37.99, was $39.99, 5% off. That is a horrible deal on that one. Next up here we got a Bauer 4.5 inch by 1/16 inch by 7/8 inch. Type 01/41 masonry cutoff wheels. This is a 10-pack for $5.99. Was originally $8.99, 33% off. That's a great deal on that one. Next up here, we have a Bauer 16-inch tool bag with 6 pockets. $12.99. Was $14.99, saving you 13% off. Like to see a little better than that. Then finishing off this row, we got a Bauer 20-volt cordless shear shrub tool only. $34.99. Was $39.99, saving you 12% off. I'd like to see a little bit better deal on that also. Starting off this row, we got a Bauer 8.5 amp half-inch impact wrench with the 2-inch extended anvil. $69.99, was $74.99, 6% off. Definitely not a good deal on that one. Then we got the Braun 1000 lumen tactical rail mount LED flashlight. $44.99, was $59.99, 25% off. That's a good deal. Next up here, we got the Pittsburgh 16-quart oil container with drain pan, $14.99. Originally was $19.99, 25% off. That's a good deal on that. Then finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh curved jaw locking pliers set of 3. This is going to be $10.99, was $12.99, 15% off on these. And I'll tell you guys right now, I do own these, and I did bin one. Totally my fault, and the lifetime warranty does work on them. They did swap it out for me. Starting off this row, we've got the 24-foot LED outdoor string lights in black. $21.99, was $24.99, 12% off. That's an alright deal on that one. Then we got the Braun 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar work light. A lot to say on that one. $24.99, was $29.99, saving you 16% off. I do have this and I do like it. Then we got the Viking 2/8/15 amp automatic multiprocessor controlled battery charger. $64.99, was $69.99, saving you 7%. Not a good deal on that one. Then we got the Greenwood 2-gallon home and garden sprayer. $12.99, was $17.99, saving you 27% off. That's a good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Pittsburgh SAE and metric high visibility socket set. Now this is starting at $17.99, so let's go in here and actually see which one's on sale. So the sales price is actually going to be on the 3/8 inch drive. That's going to be $19.99, was $24.99, saving you 20%. And just want to show you guys, more likely the quarter is going to be regular price. And let's go to the half inch, and that is probably going to be regular price also. And half inch is $29.99, so the sale's only on the 3/8. Next up here, we got the Pittsburgh tubeless tire repair kit 9-piece for $4.99. Was originally $6.99 at 28% off. That's a good deal on that one. Next up here, we got the Pittsburgh half-inch drive impact socket set, $17.99. Was $19.99, 10% off. Not that great of a deal. Then we have the Quinn plier set 4-piece here, $21.99. Originally $24.99 at 12% off. We just had the Quinn hand tools at 35% off for the parking lot sale. So 12% off is really not that great of a deal. But if you missed them on that, I would probably pick them up, because I don't think there's going to be a better deal on this one anytime soon. Starting off this row, we got a Hallmaster 1,467 pound capacity, 2-inch by 20-inch E-track ratcheting tie down. This is going to be $9.99, was $11.99 at 16% off. Then we got the 10-inch steel tent stakes 6-pack, $5.99, was originally $6.99 at 14% off. Then we got the Warrior 6-amp rotating handle variable speed reciprocating saw for $23.99, was $27.99 at 14% off. I always tell everybody, Warrior is the bargain basement stuff from Harbor Freight. If you can, and you want to use it more than once or twice, I would step up to the Bauer. Then finishing off this row, we got the Kenway 4-way trailer wiring connector kit, 25 foot for $11.99, was $14.99, saving you 20%. That's a good deal. Starting off this row, we got another Warrior. You already heard what I said about that. We got the 10 amp 7-inch variable speed rotary polisher sander. This is going to be $32.99, originally $39.99, saving you 17%. Then we got the Merlin pistol grip tire inflator for $11.99, was $12.99 at 7% off, not a great deal. Next up here we got a Hallmaster 10-inch solid rubber tire with steel hub. This one is $6.99, originally $10.99, saving you 36% off, that's a great deal. Then finishing off this row, we got a Syntec 6/12 volt circuit tester with a 5-foot lead, $3.49, originally $4.99, saving you 30%. That's a good deal. Starting off this row, we got a Greenwood 2-way Y-hose connector for $5.99, 14% off. Then we got the Toolbox Professional Blue Shop Towels 200 pack for $12.99, was $14.99, saving you 13% off. Now we got some more consumables here. We got the Hercules 4.5 inch by 1/16 inch by 7/8 inch type 01/41 metal cutoff wheels, 10 pack for $9.99, was $12.99, saving you 23% off. Great deal on that. Then finishing off this row, we got a Drummond 750 GPH drill pump, $14.99, was $17.99, saving you 16% off. Starting off this row, we got a 20-ton hydraulic low-profile bottle jack for $49.99. Was originally $59.99, saving you 16% off. Then we got the Pittsburgh oil filter pliers for $4.99. Was $8.99 at 44% off. That is a great price, and I'll leave a card up above. I do have a video on this one, so you can see my opinion on it. Then we got the Pittsburgh ball-in hex key set, 13-piece for $5.99. Was $6.99, saving you 14%. Then finishing off this row, we got the Ranger Hard Terrain Gel Knee Pads, $14.99. Originally $17.99, saving you 16%. Starting off this row, we got the 3-inch rubber light-duty swivel casters with brake, $4.99. Originally $5.99, saving you 16% off on those. Next up, we got the Pittsburgh Jumbo SAE combination wrench set, 6-piece for $59.99. Originally $64.99, only 7% off. That's a horrible deal on that. Then we got the Holt Industries self-adjusting oil filter pliers, $11.99. Was originally $19.99, saving you 40% off. Kind of strange they put the Pittsburgh and the Holt ones both on sale at the same time. Just my thoughts on that. Then finishing off this row, we got the Hallmaster Camel diamond braided rope, 3/8 inch by 75 foot with the 225 pound capacity for $429.99. Was originally $5.99, 28% off. That's another good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Warrior 5 TPI reciprocating saw pruning blades, 5-pack for $7.99. Originally $9.99, 20% off. That's a good deal. Then we got something from Icon. We got the Professional Scraper, $11.99. Was $13.99, saving you 14% off. Now we got something from Doyle, the 9.5 inch wire crimp tool. This one's going to be $14.99. Originally $16.99 at 11% off. Then we got the Grant's Extreme Foaming Spray Gun, $19.99. Originally $21.99, 9% off. Not a great deal. Starting off this row, we got the Chicago Electric Premium Welding Gloves for $6.29. Originally $7.29, saving you 13% off. Next up, we got the High Density Foam Mini Roller Kit, 3-piece, $3.49. Was $3.99 at 12% off. Alright deal on that one. Next up, we got the Pittsburgh Nylon Pry Bar Installer Kit. This is going to be a 4-piece one for $5.49. Originally $7.99, saving you 31% off. That's a great deal. Then finishing off this row, we got the 1-inch chip brushes, 36-pack for $8.99. Originally $11.99, 25% off. That is a good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Storehouse 4-inch stacking tilt bin, $1.99. Originally $2.99, 33% off. That's a good deal. Now we got another thing here from Warrior. We got the 4-volt cordless power cutter, $29.99. Originally $39.99 at 25% off. Next up, we got the Pittsburgh 3/8 inch drive impact swivel socket set for $27.99. Originally $29.99, 6% off. Not a great deal on that. And then finishing off this row, we got the Mighty Vac hand vacuum pump, $49.99. Was $59.99, 16% off. Starting off this row, we got the Braun 12,000 lumen LED work light $44.99 was originally $49.99, 10% off. That's a all right deal, I guess, on that one. Then we got the 24-foot LED outdoor string lights in white for $21.99, $24.99 originally at 12% off. Then we got the Pittsburgh 2.5-inch spring clamp for $149, 11% off. Once again, we just had the big deal with the parking lot sale. That was a lot better deal than that, so 11% is not that much. Then finishing off this row, we got the Warrior 130-watt hot knife. This is going to be $24.99, was $34.99 at 28% off. Good deal if you want to chance it on the Warrior. Starting off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 1-inch steel spring clamp. $119 was originally $149, saving you 20%. Then we got the Pittsburgh Jumbo Metric Combination Wrench Set in metric. These are a 6-piece for $59.99, originally $64.99. Once again, though, 7% off is not that great of a deal. Then we got the steel wool 12-pack for $2.99, originally $3.99 at 9% off, not that great of a deal. Then we got the Pittsburgh Metric Socket Tray Organizer 3-piece, $7.99, was originally $9.99, saving you 20% off. That's a good deal. Next up here, we got the Pittsburgh SAE Socket Tray Organizer 3-piece set. This is going to be $7.99, originally $9.99, saving you 20%. And there you have it. There's your instant savings that are going on from now through 10/8 on there. Some pretty good deals going on in this one. Also some disappointments, as usual, is in instant savings. They always seem to have some really good deals, and then some that it's like, why did you even put them on sale? So I want to hear a comment from you guys below. What do you think is a good deal in this sale that you're going to pick up? What are you disappointed in the sales? Love talking to you guys down in the comments. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. It helps build the channel, and I can't build this channel without you guys. Also, we are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.